One of the types of cases that you really need to look for in terms of the administrative license suspension are blood test cases in which your client voluntarily submitted to the test. That is, the officer did not have to go get a search warrant for your client's blood. Instead, they read implied consent and your client voluntarily submitted to that testing. What you need to look for in the actual blood test in the administrative license suspension case is the foundation and whether or not they actually bring in a crime lab witness to testify as to how the test was performed and what the results of the test were. I have probably done 30 to 40 blood test cases at administrative license suspension cases, and what you need to know is that the Department of Driver Services does not bring in the crime lab witness to testify as to how the blood was tested and what the results of the test were. You need to object to the admission of those test results without a crime lab witness there to testify to them on the grounds that it's both hearsay and that it violates your client's right to confrontation. And the case that you need to cite in support of the argument is Neal versus City of Augusta, Richmond County Personnel Board. The citation for that case is 304 Georgia App 115. Again, 304 Georgia App 115. I believe with those arguments in hand, you'll have a much more persuasive case, and certainly you'll preserve the issue for appeal to the Superior Court in the event that that objection is overruled. Remember, if your client is suspended in the administrative license suspension case, when they submit it to a blood test, you're receiving credit for that time under the suspension if they're actually suspended in the criminal case. So there's no real downside in you going forward with that hearing, and I would in fact encourage the vast majority of my clients to go forward and do so. Thanks so much for your time. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Ben Sessions. My office number is 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. Thank you.